Shaitan, brothers and sisters, has threatened to mislead every single one of us, without exception. He is working day and night, صباحا ومساء, ليلا ونهارا. He doesn't have an off day. He doesn't just wake up and say, you know what, today let me take a break. Constantly we are under the threat of the devil.
The Shaitan attempts to make us disbelievers. He wants us to shoot out of the religion. And he could do that in a number of ways. The moment you disbelieve and you apostate, خلاص ارتاح باله. He's at peace.
He commands you everything which is evil. And again, والفحشاء, and he commands you to do immorality. وأن تقولوا على الله ما لا تعلمون. And this is one of the greatest aims of the Shaitan, that you say about Allah that which you have no knowledge about. And you don't know whether that thing is true or not. But the Shaitan, he knows that he is cursed, and he knows that Allah Azza wa Jal has not written success for him in what he does, and so he is even content to accept less than that. He says, okay, there are some people, I can't get them to disbelieve in Allah, I can't get them to commit shirk, the next level down. I will accept for them to do the major sins. So he encourages you to do the major sins. So for example, drinking alcohol and fornication and being bad to your parents.
So it started with purification. Then it went to salah, and you took notice in purification, so he took you to salah. And you took notice at salah, you let him take you for a fool at salah, so now he comes and he begins to whisper to you about Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, or about the religion, about the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam, until a person, he may end up leaving the fold of al-Islam because of the whispering, because he took notice. And the thing that I'm trying to get you to see is, you took notice.